Hey guys, welcome to another video. Today I'm going to be telling you how to make a simple openable and closable GUI. Basically, let's just get straight into this. You want a screen GUI because you want to actually be able to have GUIs up on the screen. If you already have one, just doesn't matter. Put a text button or image button, doesn't really matter. You can even do an image label and then have a text button in it or image button. It doesn't really matter, but we're going to have a text button and then we're also going to have an image label. Now I'm gonna insert and put this image label like about in the middle. It doesn't matter, and then make sure this image label is not visible. And let's insert a local script. Local, make sure it's local, because if it's it doesn't work if you do a normal script. So local script because it only works on the client, and player GUI is on the client. And we're going to start off by defining a variable called button. Now, this will basically just be script.Parent, not that, script.Parent, and basically this is a script. So see, it's script right here. That's the script, and then this is its parent. Text button is its parent. So make sure if it's, say your text button is not there and you have your script in train GUI, you're gonna have to do script.Parent.Text button instead. So yeah, local, and then now we have to have a local function on click. You don't have to say on click, it just doesn't matter. It doesn't really matter. And then now we're going to do script.Parent.Parent. So now we're right here, screen GUI. So then we have to do .ImageLabel because that links it to that. And then now we do .Visible, so it links it. And then you want to do true. And then now we have to connect the function. So button .Activated connect on click. And of course it's gonna have to do that. And there's also another way of doing this. Instead of activated, you can do mouse button one click if you wanted to. I usually just do activated because it's a lot more easier and simpler to type. But yeah, you can do that. And now that'll actually open it, but we won't be able to close it. Now to be able to close it, let's put a text button act like it's, maybe a close button right there. So now we have to define the button again. Button equals script.Parent again, and then we want to do local function. Roblox is completely saving my horrible spelling. Local function on click, and then script.Parent.Parent. So now it's right here. This is what we want to not be visible anymore. Then we want to do visible equals false when you click it, and now it's time to link it, which is .Activated. Actually, I'm going to show you that you can in fact use mouse button one click, and then connect and on click. And there we go. That should be it, done and working. So let's play. And a most common issue when it comes with this is not linking. Say you do script.Parent instead of, it's supposed to actually be script.Parent.Parent. Just make sure that it's all links together. Like what I like to do is that I like to go through the workspace and see, does it actually link with the parent. But yeah, so now that opens, and now that closes. Open, close, open, close. See, this and also I'm going to be making an advanced UI tutorial soon, basically making it so that it animates UIs and does all this crazy stuff. So be sure to look out for that. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye now.